I'm Maisie Osmond, and I am the SmartLab facilitator at California Elementary School in California, Missouri. This is our first year with our SmartLab, and we serve about 640 students in pre-K through 5th grade.
I really like code and that's my lab. It makes me want to be a software engineer.
Learning is different in the SmartLab because you have more freedom in what you choose to do, and you get to learn in a fun way. I like coming to the SmartLab because I get to do hands-on projects with my partner.
Learning is different in SmartLab because it involves a lot of problem solving with a partner. Mrs. Osmond never just gives us the answer. She asks us questions to get us thinking our way through the problems and lets us figure it out.
SmartLab is more of a hands-on learning class and uses more technology. I like it because it uses a different part of the brain that you wouldn't for other classes.
As a parent and a teacher, it has been amazing to watch both my own kids and my students explore the SmartLab and discover many different adventures each time they go. My 6-year-old recently designed a circuit that had the ability to power both a fan and a light bulb. This brought her not only great joy, but it also showed her and taught her how to be a problem solver and that she could be an engineer. My students have found that the SmartLab can be a great place to integrate both learning in the classroom. They recently designed a comic strip from their famous Missourian project that we did in the classroom. And the SmartLab has been just a true asset to our building because it has taught our kids that they can learn through discovery.
This year we got to do coding and create video games. Because of SmartLab, I have found one of my passions and something I would like to do as a career when I grow up.